Okay, Ryobi has a special going on at the Home Depot. Or maybe that would be the Home Depot has a special on Ryobi. It's December 26th. I get to work tomorrow for 8 hours, I think it is. So I went ahead and went to the Home Depot and took advantage of this pretty great offer, really. This is saying that they're regularly $149, save $50 and get the 2 batteries, this little mini charger thing, and the bag for $99. They have the fuel gauge thing on. They have the 4 bars that you know how much power is left on them and stuff. But the purchase this kit thing is, if you buy this kit, then you get a free tool up to $129. Now these batteries separate it's the P191, so there's only one listed here. These batteries separate are $59 each. I doubt they might, but I doubt they'll go back up to the $89 a piece after Christmas, because this is more in line with what regular batteries from other companies are charging now. But still, that's what, $118 to get 2 batteries. So you're getting $118 worth of batteries, a charger, and a bag for $99, plus a free tool up to $129. And I chose this one. I can't even find my other Jigsaw. I may have sold it online. I don't know. But it was either get this, get a free power tool or battery with select toolkits. That's what all this is talking about. Or I could have got this. But I was thinking, if I'm going to buy this anyway to do a test on, it would be cheaper to buy this at $69 than eventually have to buy a Jigsaw for $129. And this is one of the cheapest decent brushless jigsaws that I've seen. The Milwaukee and the Makita and stuff are all $200 or more, I think. So I thought this was a pretty great deal for right now. I mean, if I don't ever use it, I didn't open it yet. If I don't ever use it, I could always sell it online for something. I don't think you can take it back, because on the receipt it shows where you basically got it for free. But anyway, is that good? Did I do a good savings here? $99 for the 2 batteries, charger, and bag. And a free $129 Jigsaw. It's variable speed from 800 to 3350 SPM. I guess saws per minute. It also blows the sawdust out of the way. And it has the orbital thing, 4 levels of orbital stuff. I may do a review on it or something, I don't know. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Is that a good deal, a bad deal, just a deal? And leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on whether you liked or disliked or was indifferent. And I'll keep posting more poop like this if you like it. Well, I'll probably keep posting more poo like this whether you like it or not, but still. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.